In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the League of Legends Reconnect bug without using the DX9. Now, this is a comment I got on one of my videos, and he said this worked for him, so I thought I'd make a video about it and show you how you can also do it. Now, before you would have to disable something called DX9 Legacy Mode, but League of Legends removed the option to do that. So what worked for my viewer was, what you need to do is you want to close down our League of Legends. Let's just close it completely from the task manager. Come into details, L for League of Legends, in task. Make sure no riot games are running. Perfect. Then what we want to do is we want to find our League of Legends. So for me, I have it on my D drive. So I'm gonna go in here, find riot games, find League of Legends, and then find the League client. What you want to do is right click on it, properties, compatibility, and then disable full screen optimizations. Press apply, OK, and then you want to run League of Legends as you normally would. Now this solved his problem, so it might solve your problem as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.